Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm your news host Tanay Dhumal, and let's get into the headlines first. Cryptocurrencies Pare losses on short covering Bitcoin above $22,000. Tron inserts $700 million to defend ecosystem. USDD drops below $1. Coinbase to lay off 1,100 employees to cut cost. MicroStrategy may have to cough up more collateral for Bitcoin loan amid Rout. US SEC tracks exchanges over possible insider trading activity. NFT trading volume surges amid market and floor price crash. Web3 service provider ScienceMagic.Studios raises $10.3 million. Cricketer ABD Villiers and Myria to launch P2E cricket game. Let's get into the details. Cryptocurrencies pared some of its losses on short covering amid speculation that the fall in digital assets may have been overdone given the underlying fundamentals of the projects. Bitcoin clawed some of its losses from an intraday low of $21,000 to trade at around $22,400. The slowdown in the rout was also supported by a rebound in US stocks after major stock indices sold off with heavy losses to hit new 2021 lows on Monday, on fears of the US economy tipping over into a recession. The S&P 500 traded rose 0.3%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 gained over 0.6% in early morning US trades. Investors' bets for a 75 basis points Federal Reserve rate hike are climbing through yields on short-term US treasuries reversed their gains over long-dated debt, easing fears of an imminent recession. The US Labor Department will release Producer Price Index, while the Federal Reserve's highly anticipated two-day meeting will also kick off later today. CryptoWire's IC15 index traded around 28,900, down nearly 3%. Other major altcoins traded mixed. Tron DAO Reserve, which oversees stablecoin USDD, said that it had increased the 700 million USDC supply on Tron to a current $2.5 billion. It says it did this to safeguard the overall blockchain industry and crypto market. Amid the current market sell-off, Tron DAO Reserve shared that 700 million USDC, nearly $700 million worth, has been injected into Tron DAO Reserve to defend the USDD peg. It was also stated in a tweet that another $100 million more USDC was deposited into Binance to buy more TRX. Meanwhile, Tron's algorithmic stablecoin USDD was trading at $0.98, down 0.75% in the last 24 hours. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, recently launched a poll to seek opinions on whether Tron DAO Reserve should buy Ethereum as a reserve. Coinbase Global will sack around 1,100 employees as a part of cost-cutting plan, the company said in a filing on Tuesday. The plan involves cutting workforce by around 18% as of June 10, after which it would have around 5,000 total employees as of the end of the current quarter, the company said, adding that it expects the plan to be executed by the end of the second quarter. Coinbase is the latest in the slew of crypto companies to announce job cuts. Crypto exchange Crypto.com and lending platform BlockFi had earlier this week announced plans to cut a total of more than 400 jobs. Winklevoss twins-led exchange Gemini cut around 10% of its workforce. MicroStrategy Inc., which also holds the largest amount of cryptocurrencies on its balance sheet, may need to post additional collateral for a loan as Bitcoin tests a key price range flagged by the company last month. The software firm that invests heavily in Bitcoin in May told analysts that if the token's price dropped to around $21,000, it would need to add to the digital asset originally pledged for the $205 million loan it took in March. The initial value committed was around $820 million at the same time, but has since fallen to about half that. Bitcoin today touched a low of $21,030 in intraday trades, but rebounded to nearly $22,000 thereafter. It is not clear if MicroStrategy, among the first major companies to buy the tokens for its corporate treasury, was asked to cough up additional funds. As of May 2nd, MicroStrategy held about 129,218 bitcoins with an approximate average purchase price of $30,700 each, according to a company filing. US stock market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission, has sent notices to leading crypto exchanges following the recent market crash. The regulator wants to know the anti-insider trading measures these exchanges are implementing. The SEC's actions are likely linked to the several cases of insider trading popping up in the crypto market recently. The move follows the ongoing crypto market crash, which has given off over $1 billion worth of crypto wealth of investors. SEC Chief Gary Gensler had early accused exchanges of trading against individual traders. Non-fungible tokens, or NFT, trading volume has surged over the past 24 hours as crypto markets tanked, taking floor prices of many top NFT collections along with it. 8 of the top 10 NFT projects in terms of 24-hour sales volume has posted at least a 115% increase in trading volume, with the only projects falling under that mark being Goblin Town at 35.54% and Moonbirds at 64.11%. The OpenSea marketplace has benefited the most from the increased trading activity in the last 24 hours, with a 173.43% rise in trading volume and a total of $23.88 million in sales. However, the number of traders on the platform has decreased by 15.39% to 29,300 within the same time frame, suggesting that only a limited number of investors with relatively large sums of money are making moves. ScienceMagic.Studios, a company that creates and advises on non-fungible tokens and social tokens, has raised $10.3 million in a pre-seed round. It aims to help early-stage Web3 companies create a brand and engage in communities. The New York-based firm raised the investment from Liberty City Ventures, Digital Currency Group (DCG), Coinbase Ventures, Noam Gottesman, and Alan Howard. ScienceMagic.Studios will assist Web3 companies in multiple stages of development, ranging from early-stage branding to the creation of digital assets. The funding will help the company scale in order to meet demand. South African cricketer ABD Villiers has announced his partnership with blockchain gaming company Myria to build his mobile-based cricket game. The game is expected to launch in the coming year, with players able to download it for free on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store from Q2 of 2023. Myria will be the first celebrity-backed cricket blockchain game that integrates blockchain, play and earn models, and additional features such as NFTs. Also, ABD Villiers' backed game will be exclusively available for mobile users. The Myria team claims the game aims to introduce millions of cricket fans to blockchain gaming. The partnership between ABD Villiers and Myria is expected to build a brand and community around the game. That's all for today. I'm your news host Tanay Dhumal, signing off for today. Keep watching Crypto TV.